what's happening, everybody? What's good? What's good? What's good? It's been some ages here. It's been some ages here, man. Just let me know if you can hear me. I'm still trying to get back to this. We just got it resolved today, and yeah, just let me know if you can still hear me. Just confirm. Somebody says good to see you on these lives. Yeah, we are back. We are back. All right, that's all we can say. Someone says we're here. All right, so we don't really have so much because we're just trying to test this back. It's not going to be so long. We can hear you. Can you also hear the music? Do I have some music in the background as well? Just confirm with me on that. How's the quality of the transmission? Just let me know on that as well. All right, because we're just trying to get this thing all back, and I can't really tell until probably you guys let me know. We can hear you loud and clear. How is the transmission? Is it any way clear on your side? Can you see clearly? Just let me know on that as well. Just let me know on that. We might just be getting back our usual YouTube live streams going forward. Let me know on the transmission. Oh, no music. Crazy. Let's try and check why. Let's try and check. The music is low. How about now, man? Just let me know on that. How about now? Just let me know. Somebody says loud and clear. Beautiful stuff. No music. I think the music is good now. Do we have music? Yeah, somebody says yes, it's clean. Yeah, we had to make sure it was clean. Clear now. Oh, beautiful. Is the music on? Do we have some music? We can hear you. Do we have some music? Music is fire now. Oh, crazy. Brilliant stuff. So this is not gonna be any wild session, all right? We're just gonna be here for a short while because, like it says, it's just a test session. We're not here for too long and stuff like that. Maybe if I'm here for some time with you guys, it is probably maybe to see what we can analyze. Yeah, it's a bit too loud. Okay, let's reduce it. We're just getting back. You know, I lost track on how to do all these things because YouTube had banned us for over 4 months. You can imagine, over 4 months we're doing this for the past 4 months. So now we are back. Hopefully we can have a smooth platform, and yeah, we can get back our usual live streams. You know, every Monday, every Wednesdays, and every Fridays. Somebody says it's too loud. Okay. Is it good now? Just let me know. I think we just reduced it. Let me know on that. Let's reduce it to something like this. I think it's perfect now. I think everything should be perfect now because the music is loud. We are back. Yeah, we are back, man. We are back. All right, we are back. We have about 36 people right now, which is beautiful. All right, hopefully you guys are ready to get some value going forward. All right, hopefully we are gonna be, you know, we won't be interrupted as what happened in the past, right? So let's check out gold for first and foremost, right? Let's try and see what's happening on gold. Okay, I was looking at this earlier with everybody else on the Telegram platform. If you haven't joined that platform, go check it out. I've been dropping videos in there even the whole time that we weren't doing these live streams on YouTube. Someone says much better. No, it's gone mute. Okay, man, I don't know what to do about this music thing, but you know, I think we should be good. Beyond perfect. Yeah, Charlie's perfect, is it? It's perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. Beautiful stuff. So I was looking at gold, and I don't know if I'm gonna trade today or not, but let's try and see what we can come up with. I'm pretty much sure we have PPI coming up. Yeah, we have PPI Equally, we have retail sales, core retail sales, and they're expecting core PPI to remain unchanged. They're expecting a decrease in the core retail sales. They're expecting a decrease in PPI itself. They're also expecting a decrease in retail sales. So almost the same thing that happened yesterday, right? So we can say that they're expecting inflation to actually come down. Of course, we saw that from CPI yesterday. Did you guys trade CPI? How many guys did trade CPI yesterday, man? Let me know. Let me know in the comments if you did trade CPI. How many guys did trade CPI yesterday? Just let me know on that. Somebody says the music is good. Yeah, music is good now. Is it? Music should be good. How many of you guys did trade CPI yesterday? I did trade CPI personally. Back in business. Definitely, we're back in business. All right? And better streams ahead. This is just a test session. Might not really be that smooth because I'm still trying to get back the platform. I just got this back today, so I thought let's do a random test session with you guys and see. CPI was killed yesterday. Crazy. CPI was good. CPI was fire. I did trade it. Amazing. I think that was the easiest CPI you can ever think of. Trust me, I think so. Personally, I would say that, you know, because if you check, like, if let's check out the yearly. Okay, the focus was not really about the core CPI. I think I posted a video talking about this on IG. But the focus was not really about the core CPI because the core CPI was expected to remain unchanged. And if you check the past, the core CPI hasn't been making any, you know, any aggressive change. There hasn't been like any marginal big difference when it comes down to changes. So that wasn't the focus. The focus was mostly about the CPI, the monthly CPI, and the yearly CPI. Because if you check with the monthly CPI, there's been some drastic changes in the past, right? If you check out like August was sitting at 0.2, September was sitting at 0.6, drastic change. October was sitting at 0.4, and this time around was sitting at 0.0, meaning inflation has been kept, at pace, at least for the recent month. All right, for it to be brought down to 0%, that's good for the economy. Trust me, it is absolutely good for the US economy. All right, it is absolutely. I did trade and lost 85 US dollars. That's crazy, man. It's part of the game anyway. We killed CPI. Yeah, if you are in the Signal platform, I'm pretty much sure that you noticed. I actually sent out the whole report even like an hour before everything happened. So I'm pretty much sure like everybody else in there at least got it on time and stuff like that. If you didn't get it anyway, there's always the next time. I think we have the next CPI next month, which should be the last CPI of the year. Should be interesting as well. Right. So if you check out the yearly change, all right, we've been brought down to 3.2%. From 3.7, all right. Of course, we did start this year with a 6.5, in fact 7.1 CPI inflation report, right? And now we've dropped all the way to 3.2, which is crazy. It's actually good to see this, honestly, for the US. It's pretty much amazing to see this. Trust me. All right. Anyway, this is not all I'm here for. All right. Let's look at gold quickly. All right. When it comes down to gold, we are currently in a bullish trend right now. Am I allowed to ask a question? Man, that's the whole idea of these streams. All right, always free to ask questions, always free to bring about the interaction, always free to bring about anything. Just talk to me. Yeah, that's how we used to have them, right? I hope from now we don't end at any point, because I loved helping you guys. I loved talking to you guys. I loved every now and then trying by all means to ensure that you guys at least get some value from my side. All right, so yeah, anyway, looking at gold right now, as I mentioned, we are in an uptrend, and currently, of course, with the PPI that's coming up, which preferably would come around and move markets maybe. Let's check. So we have 5 minutes to PPI, which I'm expecting to be negative as well. All right, so because of the yesterday's inflation, but normally PPI doesn't move markets as crazy as such. All right, it doesn't. Right, so we can say, okay, fine, we had a level here. Let's go down 30 minutes time frame anyway. All right, so we can say, okay, let me check this out firstly and scale up a little bit. All right, we have a level here. All right, which if broken, trust me, if broken, markets could move abruptly to the upside. right? Depending on what kind of numbers we get for PPI. Of course, it doesn't really move markets as crazy as such. So don't expect so much from the actual PPI that's going on in a few minutes from now. At the same time, we have this sort of like support here. This is the closest support that I would say we have, which is right around like 1970. All right, so maybe if markets can break this support, we can see price push downside. All right, but I strongly feel like we have a big probability of price actually pushing upside than downside, right? Okay, if price breaks this area, we might come back to maybe like this level here or this level. But I strongly feel we have a bigger, a bigger probability of price actually pushing to the upside, because if you check, we have this, a clean push up this side. On the downside, we had a strong support somewhere here around like 1959. Yeah, so I feel like if maybe price wants to push downside, it could be maybe to test this level before they push upside. This is on gold, and I feel if we push to the upside, preferably the next level of interest should be 1980, 86. All right, that's based off like the 4-hour time frame. Trust me. Someone says, what's the expectation for today? Honestly, I'm thinking we should get a negative report for PPI, but like I mentioned, I don't think this should be like, it should weigh negative, a huge impact on the markets. I don't think so. Honestly, I honestly don't think so. All right, at the same time, we have a 30 minutes time frame here. All right, so I think the best would be to wait and see if price can break this area here, which apparently is 1973, right? If price can break that level, we could push all the way to the upside. All right, all the way to the upside. So probably I feel like for me, I would be looking out for buys above this area. All right, if we get anything outside that, maybe price might want to test this level before it continues going upside. But I think the movement of the day is overall bullish on gold. Trust me, I think so. So let's see what happens. I think we have like 3 minutes to go. Yeah, in fact, 2 minutes and a few seconds. Yeah, I missed hearing you here. Oh, amazing stuff. I'm back here, man. Okay, we're back. You see, YouTube had restricted us from hosting live streams, pretty much because somebody was trying to hack this platform. So maybe it was because of that. Yeah, should have been because of that. But now we're back. Somebody helped us retrieve this platform for the live streams. Somebody says, should we look for buys or sells? Well, exactly what I spoke about here, man. Just follow it. All right, if we can get a break above a certain level, which is apparently this level, we could see buys. If we don't, maybe we could see sells to maybe this level here. All right, and this level apparently is pretty much somewhere there. All right, though I'm down for buys than sells. All right, and I don't think there should be a very big movement when it comes to PPI. All right, if there is, probably it's one of those, right? Probably one of those. We have a minute more to go. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Why did you stop going live here? Whoa, I keep saying that. I keep saying that. I keep saying that. If you also want to understand what happened for CPI yesterday, I posted a video earlier in the Telegram platform. Go check it out. All right. I think I put a link like around this description somewhere. So just check it out. And I'm so certain you should learn something from that. Definitely you should learn something from that. Go check it out. It's right on Telegram. It is right there. Okay, so we have like 23 seconds to go. 23 seconds to go. 14 seconds. Yeah, you know, there's a lot of movement to the upside. Most likely markets should move to the upside here. Let's see what happens anyway. Oh, okay, nothing really going on. Ooh, crazy. I spoke about this. Yeah, I spoke about this. Yeah, I did talk about that. Crazy. Whoa, crazy, man. This thing keeps pushing up. Oh, crazy. We spoke about that, right? Just drop some fire emojis if you remember me talking about that. Yeah, just drop some fire emojis. Let me hear from you guys. I'm so certain the numbers are negative. So certain about that, at least. Yeah. You guys drop some emojis if you remember me. Okay, yeah. Core PPI is negative. PPI is negative. Retail sales should be negative as well. They should be. They should be. Drop some fire emoji if you remember. Okay, yeah. Negative 0.1%. Okay, slightly on the positive side, but still on the negative side. I think the whole idea was behind PPI. Yeah, that was the whole idea. And now it's coming down, probably to range, right? That's the reason why I don't like trading these ones, like PPI and stuff. I didn't take any trade on this one, trust me. I didn't, right? And the reason being is because of this, all right? It's like 1 minute markets are up, the next minute markets are down, you know? So because of that, I rarely trade PPI, right? I rather prefer trading CPI because CPI has less, you know, has less, I would say, less manipulations than this stuff here. All right, with CPI, normally it's the biggest report when it comes down to inflation. All right, PPI is just like, you know, one of those. And that's the reason why what's happening is happening right now. Okay, so don't get shocked. So maybe, of course, maybe they might be testing this area before they push upside, but we can't tell honestly because of the fact that there's you know, all this indecision on the markets, right? It's like came out to, you know, take out buyers and slightly wants to come down and range probably, and then later on go up. You know, sometimes that happens. Yeah, sure, you're the best. Appreciate that. Anyway, this was just a test session. It wasn't anything serious, right? I'm gonna be leaving you guys here. Let's probably look forward to having these live streams. Maybe next week, you know, maybe starting off next week, we should be getting them back. At least the fact that we managed to have this one today, right, was short, brief, but you know, I'm hoping to be back on YouTube with you guys. Hopefully you're ready for these live streams. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. And I'm out of here. I wasn't here for too long. It was just a test session. Just a test session to see, you know, if we were able to have it back and to see if you guys were able to connect to me and also to see if you guys could as well participate on this. All right. Hopefully we enjoyed it. Did we enjoy this short session? Did we enjoy it? Just let me know. Did you guys enjoy it? Let me know if you enjoyed it. Just let me know. Give me some heads up. Did you enjoy this quick test session? It was really a quick one. Yeah, from here, markets might range a bit, you know, depending on what volume we have in the markets. I don't think we have so much volume. Markets might range a bit here. Probably. If I told this candle closes below this level, maybe markets might go all the way downside to put maybe this level here. If not, well, just don't do anything. Did we enjoy this? Somebody says you should pick a day where you give out free signals to the live stream. Yeah, I will consider doing that. Don't worry about that. I'll definitely consider doing that sometime. But you see, signals is not really a big deal. I think what's a big deal is getting the information, like what I know, you know, my understanding behind these things. All right. Yeah, I think that's what's important. That's the reason why I'm dropping educational videos on the Telegram platform. If you go check it out, I keep on dropping some educational videos there so that I can educate you guys and help you guys understand and open up to this world of trading and so on, right? Yeah, somebody says, yeah, for sure. Yeah, it was amazing. Short but good. Yeah. Always vibrant, positive value, amazing stuff. Guys, I'm out of here. Peace out. And we'll see you probably next week. Not Friday. Probably next week. All right? Yeah, probably next week. Because I think Friday might just be too early to get this back. All right? So probably next week, Monday. Or maybe, let's say, Wednesday or Friday. We'll see about that. All right? I'll check you guys later on. And I'm out of here.